If CryptoTrendRider is a fantastic investment software that detects all profit opportunities in the entire crypto world, Telegram is a tool that will always warn you of these opportunities as soon as CTR finds them, wherever you are and whenever you're online. If you already have a Telegram account and have subscribed to CTR's channels, you must be receiving the alerts for CTR signals right now on your phone and computer. If you are a new user, however, you may be having trouble understanding what each alert means. In this tutorial, we will show you how to interpret these messages so you don't lose any time before deciding to invest. Both CTR's basic signals and its elite signals share the same format, so their alerts on Telegram look the same. We begin by analyzing this latest Telegram alert on CTR's basic signals. On the first line, you see the market CTR is recommending you to get into and the trading service you should use. In this case, CTR detected a profit opportunity on the Zcash/Bitcoin market and is recommending you to trade with Binance. The next 5 lines is the most important set of information for your trade. In this first line, we see the price range CTR recommends you to buy Zcash at, which is from this price here up to this one here. The prices are measured in Bitcoin units, and you should always do your best to get into the market when the crypto is within this price range. The next 3 lines are the 3 targets you should expect to hit once you begin trading on this market, from the most probable goal on target 1 to the most difficult at target 3. In this case, target 1 gives you a very high chance of Zcash reaching this price here, giving you a return on investment or ROI of around 4.53%. Target 2 shows a reasonable chance of Zcash getting close to or reaching this price here, in which case your ROI will be of 7.91%. At this point, most traders should sell their Zcash holdings to consolidate their gains, while experienced traders should analyze the market to see if there is a good chance of the next target being hit. If there is, then this is the price CTR recommends you to sell Zcash at, cashing a profit of almost 13%. The last of these lines is the stop loss price, which is the price at which you should immediately abandon the market if things go awry. This is important for the exceptional circumstances when the crypto markets enter an unexpected downtrend. The next 5 lines show complementary information about the crypto coin, giving you an idea of its overall strength and performance in the market. The first line gives you the market capitalization of the coin, which is the value in US dollars of all its units in circulation. Here we see that Zcash is a relatively big coin, worth around $1.2 billion. Next, on 24-hour volume, we see the amount of money that circulated in this market in the past 24 hours, which here is almost $70 million. On 24-hour change, we have the crypto's increase in price in the past 24 hours, which is 5.39% in the case of Zcash. On 24 hours low, we see the lowest price the crypto has reached in the past 24 hours. Right after it, on 24 hours high, it's the opposite. We see the peak price Zcash has reached during the same period. This is all you need to know to understand the signal CTR is giving you and start trading right away. Let's now apply this knowledge on the Telegram group for CTR Elite Signals. See how the layout is exactly the same as that of CTR's basic signals. In this latest alert, we see that CTR is recommending us to trade Bitcoins for Icon on Binance. The price range at which we should acquire Icon is this one, followed by the 3 targets the crypto coin can reach. Target 1, the most likely with an ROI of 2.6%. Target 2, with gains of up to 6.4%. And Target 3, the more difficult to reach, with a total ROI of over 10%. If something really bad happens and Icon actually starts falling, this is the price you should definitely sell it at to stop your losses. Next, we can read that Icon has a market cap of 1.8 billion US dollars and has generated a total of $72.28 million worth of trades in the past 24 hours, increasing 5.56% in price after reaching this low point and this price peak during the period. Interpreting the messages in the CTR pump and dump signals is a little bit different. The CTR P&D software identifies large buy volumes in any given crypto to inform you of a potential bubble ready to be exploited. Because of this, every message it sends you on Telegram is not a whole one-time opportunity for investment, but rather updates on a string of price increases in a given crypto market that may help you decide the best moment to jump in a bandwagon. This latest signal, for example, is a sequence of the one that came immediately before. You should pay attention, therefore, on the whole line of alerts from the same market instead of focusing on a single alert. In the first line of each alert, CTR informs you of the market where the bubble was detected, in this case the Deviant Coin/Bitcoin market. In the following line, we have the change in the crypto coin's price since the very first moment CTR detected a massive volume of buy orders. In this case, Deviant Coin was up almost 30% in the past 56 minutes. In the following two lines, we see the crypto's price both in bitcoins and in US dollars in the moment the latest signal was detected. In the next line, this one starting with T, we have the number of trades CTR analyzed, which here is 51, or almost one trade every minute. Finally, we see the volume in bitcoins this specific market has generated in the past 24 hours, close to 8 full bitcoins in this case. And now that you know what each line of information means on your Telegram alerts, you will be able to make quicker decisions on the investment opportunities CTR detects.